Hi, I am doing my screencast of my site. So here is my main page of my site. Everything comes up on the front page, as you can see. If you scroll down, then you'll see my main picture under everything that I've done. And then you can see here, I have all of my posts separated into categories. So here's my video on my video page. We go to my dashboard. Actually, I guess from here we can go to menus, right? Yes, okay. So from here we go to my menus. Here is my edit menu, and that is going to be the one with everything, with all of my posts. Or I can go to my main menu. We select here and look at that, and I have fewer posts for this is just going to be like my school posts. My edit menu is going to be my school post plus some. It was writing that I had to do for a creative writing class, but um, it's not necessarily appropriate for certain audiences. So there is that. As you can see, I've got the separate pages and my posts here. And I think that's everything that we needed for this, right?